Here we are, May 28th, 2020. I'm on Jesse and John's new boat. It is very clean, very nice, and I'm bringing it over to the ramp, and we're gonna put it up on a trailer and send the boat off. So, boat started up just like normal, like last time. The first try, boom, started right up. I just idled out of the canal, so we're doing good. And I'm gonna throttle up, and we're gonna head on over to that bridge. Drive down. Got the other half of the bump. Don went ahead and gave me a cover, the full cover for the boat. We got the a spare prop for the boat. What else we got? Extra dash panels. See all your dash panels. He went ahead and I guess bought them or replaced them. Got a new stereo over there in the sink. Boat's running great. Temperature nice and cool. With 3200. I trimmed up low. The speedometer doesn't work. Oil pressure's good. Fuel's still at a half a tank. 13 volts. Our depth reads 16 feet. About right. 18 feet. So it's a nice day. Boat's just running beautiful. At this bridge right here is where we're gonna stop and head toward the ramp. So it's just like a 2-minute, 3-minute video. Boy, it is a pretty day. I'd like to just head on over to Egmont. Still doing 3,400. Volts is good. Half tank. Oil pressure 60. Temperature is nice and cool. Oh, there's a no wake zone. So from here I gotta slow down. That's it. That was a nice ride. Just about at the ramp. Hey, Bean, you can drive. Over here, Don went ahead and got the new stereo and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Dock lines, so that's about it. Nice boat. Got a captain there at the helm.
Last day of school.
Today's last day of school?
No reason for school right now.
That's my co-pilot. Okay, so we're heading on over the ramp. John, just thank you very much. Greatly appreciate it. Have lots of fun with the boat. Hopefully it brings you, your families, lots of fun, enjoyment, water skiing, tubing around, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.